to give a huge shout out to Down for Sound. Not only did they send me one nice shirt, they also sent me another nice shirt, two big stickers, and now the real thing, my SFB 8K. I gotta say, the quality of this thing, as far as build, thickness of the amp, and the weight, is shocking. Actually, my current half ohm is a 5K, and it's about 24 inches. It goes to about here, but this is actually heavier. You got your dual inputs, power and ground remote. You got your RCA in and out mono, your adjustments, and your speaker terminals, and the Sundown bass knob. So, looking forward to getting this thing hooked up tomorrow. If you're interested in a Sundown SFB, they are on sale. I saved $160 on this thing because they're being replaced with the Saya or Sundown Intelligence amplifiers. So this used to be $703. I got it for $546.